morning, world.
Hi guys, welcome back.
It's a beautiful, fresh autumn morning here.
It's lovely up here today. We've got the fire on.
Yeah, fire is roaring. Vegetable soups for breakfast.
It's delicious. So we are having a growing day today. We've got Maddox, Maddie, Bjorn and Brucey all up for a bit of wild schooling.
Yep, unschooling, wild schooling, whatever bracket you like to put it in.
So we have got growing today. What are we going to put in the ground today, Maddox?
Kale, red ball, king of the winter plants.
Purple kale.
Purple kale.
Red ball.
Oh.
Maddie, what else are we going to plant
Purple
today?
garlic.
Purple garlic.
Purple garlic. Purple day. Purple veggie day.
Purple veggie day.
But purple carpet.
And a purple carpet.
Yeah. So come with us and follow us as we just go through our day and we'll show you what we get up to. And first things first, Bjorny, you've got to feed the horses.
Yeah.
Alright, so we are going to be preparing this bed for our
Kale, red ball.
kale red ball, for our lovely scrummy kale. We're going to take up the tarp, we're going to pop down some cardboard to stop the weeds from growing up. We're going to add on some
Horse poo.
horse poo so that our plants have got some food, some nutrients from the poo. And then we're going to plant in our kale.
Yeah.
Alright.
So we've got the cardboard laid down and now you add the compost on top of the cardboard. And this is called the no dig method. And this makes life so much easier because before we used to have to turn over all the soil all the time and it would be a lot of hard work until we learnt about the no dig method where you put cardboard down, put the compost on top, and it just makes life so much easier.
Wait, should I?
Everybody's working hard to fill the wheelbarrow up with the compost. You see, we're digging in here. You've got all these stinger nettles. They're everywhere. Well, stinger nettles are actually 100% edible and they have 4 times the calcium in them than broccoli or spinach. They make amazing soup. You can eat them raw or cook them if you like. And the greenness is what they used to use in the war, and that dyed the camouflage green. And the roots, guess what colour that makes? Yellow. I just wanted to take a moment to tell you about Stelly's lovely little gardening ethos that she runs by. Stelly's lovely soul, because she doesn't put slug pellets down and stuff like that. Stelly has a little rule. What's your rule, Stelly?
Plant enough for us to eat, but make sure there's more for the wildlife too.
Yeah, she shares the garden.
Yeah, so it's not just for us, it's for the badgers and for the birds and yeah, for the mice and the hedgehogs, hopefully, fingers crossed.
If you give them their fair share, then it keeps the balance, and hopefully they won't take the mickey and steal all your vegetables, but
Yeah.
it's
If
fair.
they do, it's okay.
Stelly still takes precautions like putting nets over things and stuff like that, but there's no killing.
No, and having as much diversity as possible is what's going to bring more and more animals to this spot. So all around us,
Yeah.
beautiful countryside, but the fields are all farmed and they're all quite bare. So having a little patch of land that's got all sorts of different plants growing in it can only be good for the birds and the bees.
Yeah, there's much more going on here. Stelly grows veg for us, but she also stays in harmony.
So excited to get the kale in here and the garlic. Just spreading it out, making it nice and even. How cool is this, guys? Purple kale, seedlings brought online. If, like me, you've been a bit busy and you didn't get a chance to get your seeds in like a few months ago, then you can actually go online and buy seedlings. I didn't know this. It's a thing.
Whoa!
Wow.
Can I carry that one?
Yeah.
It feels so
Take it,
good.
honey.
I'm gonna name this one Jerry.
And I will want baby
Baby monkey.
This one's called Jerry.
What's these things called, Bjorn?
Roots.
The roots. Maddox, what's this bit called?
The stalk.
The stalk. And these are the bits that we eat when it grows big and strong. This is the kale leaves that we can cook up and eat. And
Do we have to touch it up?
we don't have to. You can just pick them off the plant and eat them raw if you like. Try a bit. Try and eat a bit.
Yeah.
Yeah?
I'm gonna try a little.
Go on then. Try it.
I actually don't taste. Tastes like mint. Tastes a bit like mint.
Mm. Oh, it tastes so earthy.
Tastes like
Fresh. Put it in. Okay. That's it. Well done. Ah, grow big and strong for us. Purple kale. So with the kale plants, you want to squash them down quite firmly so that their roots have a really good chance of really rooting down into the ground to hold them up nice and
Like
tall
this?
through the winter.
Can I use a spade?
Perfect. Well done, Maddox. Good job.
They all fit lovely. Ow. Look at Maddie's one. I'm gonna pass it out. Maybe this way. Can you use it? Really? There's a spider.
Yeah.
There's that spider out here.
And is it?
That's
Jerry
one.
and Bob.
That one's mine.
Yeah.
That one's
So you two are yours. You're going to look after them.
yeah, mine.
I'm especially with Bob.
So we planted them out in this kind of 5 shape here, like you see on the side of the dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
I tried it.
And that gives them loads of space to grow up big and strong. We're going to do another block of 5 down here, and then we're going to get the garlic in.
Baby monkey. And first.
Alright. Baby monkey, Blaze. I'm going to put him to bed.
The ball.
Oh, is that from
No, that's from the level. Yeah, but on level 2. What's there? Sleep bubble. Ooh.
purple garlic, guys?
I'm gonna have to eat it now. A little bit.
Look at that. Wow.
It's just still a seed.
Yeah, so these are the bulbs.
So they're seeds.
That's right.
Come and try it.
There's giant purple garlic. And what we're going to do is we're going to break off a segment like so. And then that bit goes in the ground. And this bit
get a bit.
grows up. The shoot of garlic comes up like that. And then this bit will turn into another whole bulb. Here's our garlic patch. We're going to take off a segment. Make a little hole with a spade or your hand, and then the garlic goes in this way up, so the roots come down from the flat bit and the shoot shoots up from this pointy bit.
Like this.
That's it, perfect. Pop it in.
Both us in.
Lovely.
Put it down.
Pat, pat, pat. That's upright and it's all covered up, so the soil's going to protect it from getting
But even the thing that has to stay out.
cover that up.
So like that.
Find its way out.
And then boom, 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 boom. Garlic bread.
So garlic is amazing. You just take a piece of garlic, put it in the dirt, and it will grow more garlic. How crazy is that? And if you're at home and you want to grow garlic in a pot, just put some garlic in the pot and you can grow garlic in a pot right now.
And then make garlic bread.
Now we're happening here. These are solent whites. All different
Look.
varieties. There you
Look,
go, that's a bit smaller.
look, he's growing a bit.
That's right, is it a beard, is it? Simples.
Maddox,
What?
I dare you to take a bite of this one. Try it.
Fine.
This robin, guys, he's our friend. Hey Bjorny, do you want to plant a biscuit tree?
No.
No, you don't want to grow a biscuit tree?
I will.
Biscuit tree, oh biscuit tree.
Dane,
Oh.
what are you doing?
Nothing?
Planting a biscuit tree?
We could dream, can't we, Steph? So, we're going to dong in this post because we're doing something really cool today. Check it out.
We're making a scarecrow.
And I'm gonna go in there.
What's his name?
Wilson.
Wilson!
Yes.
Dong in this post. Now,
A candle, please.
come on Wilson. This is Wilson. We've had this skeleton for a few years. He's found a new job. It's going to be our scarecrow. Oh,
But he needs to get dressed though.
first, do you reckon he go on like this?
Perfect.
That's
It's a bit too creepy. What about on his butt?
The main guy we want to scare away is that badger that came last year and ate all our broad beans.
So we don't really mind if they come and eat a few, but we don't want them hanging about for too long.
Yeah, we want him to just nip in.
What's up, guys?
Check it out, how cool is this? Check out our scarecrow.
Hi, guys.
Wilson,
I am now the Grim Reaper.
Wilson, this is your new job.
Okay, will I get paid?
No. Prank him, Maddox. This window.
Oh my god.
Well, that's it.
We're finished. We've made our beds.
We've made our beds. Look, 2 new beds.
Ta-da!
Well, we've got broad beans over here, and we've got purple kale, garlic. Anything else we got, Stella? I'm missing.
There's some rhubarb down the bottom.
Some
and
rhubarb.
There's some potatoes we're going to dig up for Christmas, which is really
They're
exciting.
blue potatoes.
Hopefully they're blue potatoes. Some were
Apparently.
blue, some were not blue. We'll see what happens there.
It's been an absolutely lovely, fresh day to get out and teach the kids all about this weird and wonderful world that we live in.
It's been lovely. It's been really nice. I hope you guys have enjoyed our video today.
Yeah.
And if you're going to plant some garlic, if you're going to get some kale from the internet, which I think is amazing,
Yeah.
then do it. Get planting.
Get
if it's not
planting.
just for you, do it for the birds and the bees.
Yeah. Just get out there and get some fresh air. No matter how you do it, just enjoy it. There's the horses over there. It's been a pleasure, guys.
Like, subscribe, and comment below. We love you guys. Peace.
Peace. Da, da, da.